So just know I'm sensitive about my shit, especially the back of my head. You know, it's crazy back there, and I already let y'all know about that.
Intensify my being, break me down, then show me how you like it.
Hey family, so today's gonna be like a quick video. Pause. If 15 minutes is quick, then all right, let's go. Whatever. I'm in my bathroom. Well, I'm in my vanity area, and this is where I have my big mirror so I can see what I'm doing with my hair. So look, I'm looking crazy right now, but it's okay. It's okay because this is me every day. Hair tied, just chilling with no makeup on, just good. Definitely had to add some moisture to my lips, but today I'm going to just, I guess, retwist my hair, but I'm not trying to do any style or anything. I just want to retwist it. Some clips that I have here. I haven't used clips in a very long time because usually I don't do just a regular retwist with clips, and there's a fly. So lucky, so lucky. They're about to get killed. I'm gonna be retwisting my hair, and I mentioned in my previous videos, one of my previous videos, that the back of my hair is crazy, like it's a nest, and a lot of the hairs are dividing and just coming out of the lock. And basically what I'm gonna do is try to repair it and also retwist my hair. I might do some combining. The back of my head is crazy. It's really thick. Some of my locks are skinny at the top, like at the root, and then thicker at the bottom. And that's my fault because sometimes when I get lazy and I retwist, I don't really care to even look back there. Just like, that's me all day, every day. But now that has to change, and I really have to like pay attention to what I'm doing back there. So that means I have to turn around and use my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to just be separating and making sure that my parts are neat. I'm going to be using my toothbrush that I use for my hair, and this is just to use it to separate it, to make sure that it's nice and even looking. For those who are new to my channel, my partings are very different in size. So I don't have square parting. I don't have triangle parting. Like, my parting is more of free parting, and in other words, it's more fan shaped. Here we have the Lily of the Desert aloe vera jelly, and this is what I usually use to retwist my hair. As you can see, the bottle is quite empty. There's not really anything in it. So I'm going to be using this lock gel by Pstyles on Instagram. I actually been using this gel for some time. Me and my friend have been using it, but I personally have you know, my own thoughts on this gel. It doesn't cause any buildup, which is why I still will use it, but I'm just going to pretty much finish the product. There's not a lot in there left. A lot of it is gone. But what I do have to say about this product is that it is quite thick. It's more like a glaze. So if you've ever just had a glaze just for natural hair or edge control or something like that, you kind of will know like the texture of how this feels, if you know what a glaze feels like. So it has a pleasant smell to it. I just don't know what it could be. Maybe cucumber. It does have cucumber in it. I'm just not sure, but the texture of it is really thick. It's a thick texture. Like I said, it's a glaze, but it is clear, so it is sticky. It didn't cause any buildup in my hair. I've been using it for the last, I think, maybe 2 or 3 retwists, and I only retwist probably every month and a half, every 2 months or so. So that's what I've been using, and you get 4 ounces of product for $14, It's quite pricey. Plus shipping and handling total came out to be like 18 or something like that. 18 or 20, something like that. But as far as the ingredients go, it's not the best ingredients in the product. If you're looking for something that's completely natural and just boom boom bam, this is not the product. If you're looking for a whole natural, you know, lock gel or whatever. It says it's a gel, but the way it looks, I don't know if you can see that. The way it looks and the consistency, it's sticky in there. Like, it's not, in my opinion, it's not really a gel. It's like a glaze. But I guess they call gel glaze too. I don't know. As far as the amount of product you get, this is 12 ounces. And I get this on Amazon for about $10 or $11 versus $14 for 4 ounces of product. So this is 3 times this right here. So I just wanted to test that out, and I do like the way that it makes my hair look. It looks nice and sleek. Potentially can cause buildup because of the fact that it is sticky. So it might not cause buildup for me because I actually wash my hair out thoroughly. I squeeze each lock and all of that, but you know, I could see how it could possibly cause buildup, which in that sense, if you're not washing your hair properly, you can get buildup from pretty much anything. You are free to try it out, but you know, if you do and you don't like it, okay. Right now, this actually is just water and olive oil in the bottle. I ran out of aloe vera spray. Never ever want to retwist on dry hair. Never. Like, just don't do it. I'm willing to, you know, allow you guys to learn from my journey. So just know I'm sensitive about my shit, especially the back of my head. You know, it's crazy back there, and I already let y'all know about that. So do not come for me in the comments talking that ish, okay? I already know my hair is crazy. You don't gotta tell me, okay? All right, let's go. So here I have my mirror. So we're just going to pull this one, pull these two down. And we're gonna start from here to over here.
Intensify my being, you can break me down, You look so much like the moon, Vibrations of positive.
So here's a close-up. Over time, when you retwist your hair, if your hair is not in the correct, if the hairs are not in the correct lock, it will not be the same size as you started out with. So you have to make sure that the locks that you have the right amount of hair in each lock. Otherwise, it will probably end up looking somewhat like this one here. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a combined lock, and this lock actually gave me the most trouble in my lock journey because it would not lock up. It just kept unraveling, so I literally had to force this lock to lock by basically interlocking my hair, and you can see where I interlocked it here because it's a lot more thicker. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot more thicker. So there's extra hairs here, you see that? And I'm just going to wrap it around and then just twist.
Positivity seeping through, chanting hope we find it soon. I do. And all you see is pieces of me.
So it's hard to see back here.
Intensify my being, break me down, and show me how you like it. I can see it. You dig for dirt, I am your ground. Intensify
going to do here is we're going to grab this hair to grab it, and we're going to grab this part, going to go inside of the lock. See that?
Break me down, break me down. And if we're being honest, I think I liked you better when I didn't know the real you.
Most of it is in. Hope you were able to see that.
When my eyes on you, you better be ready, babe, ready, babe, ready, babe. I put my clothes on you, have you calling out my name. You ain't never seen no good ass shit like this. Written in the stars, best lover to exist. The oracles told you about me, babe, about me, babe. History repeated, you can call me Cleopatra. History repeated, you can call me Cleopatra. Hey, hey, hey. History repeated.
I'm just gonna combine these two. Here's a piece of hair. Same piece of hair in the middle.
You can call me Cleopatra. Bang, gangsta Cupid, I done shot you. You came over, hypnotized you. What's up? I'm here to satisfy you. A royal kind of love is what you'll find here, sugar. Cleopatra. A royal kind of love is what.
So these two are going to be a lock.
Your kind of love is what you'll find here, sugar. Cleopatra. A royal kind of love is what you'll find here, sugar. Let me know, let me know, let me know if you want it for sure. Let me know, let me know, let me know, or I'll walk out that door. Let me know, let me know, let me know if you want it for sure. Let me know if you want this love for sure.
My arm is hurting.
The fire between us two feels so crazy. I need to know if you feel it too, babe. The love we make from dusk till dawn has got me thinking about crowning you, babe. The fire between us two feels so crazy. I need to know if you feel it.
So I'm going to actually keep these in my hair, and then later on when I take them out, because you know I don't go under the dryer, so I air dry. I'm just gonna have my hair dry, and then I'll take them out and you'll see the final results. I'll probably do a style or something, I don't know yet, but I finally got all the hairs in the right spots.
Babe, the love we make from dusk till dawn has got me thinking about crowning you. Bang, gangsta Cupid, I done shot you. You came over, hypnotized you. What's up? I'm here to satisfy you. A royal kind of love is what you find here, sugar. Cleopatra. A royal kind of love is what you find here, sugar. Cleopatra.